Video, you will learn how to upload books into your Google Play account. This will make books syncable across all your devices, including your netbook at school, the tablet you use at school, and even your home iPod or iPhone. The first thing you want to do is you want to sign in to your Google account. Now I have TJ here and he's going to sign us in. Now, if you don't remember your Gmail, that's when it's really important to get this recovered. Some of you have given your password to your parents. You might want to ask them for help. Or if you've forgotten your password, hopefully you put in one of your parents' email as the recovery email. TJ, he remembers his password, so he's going to put that in carefully. And it looks like it worked. So you can see some of his files up here. He has notifications and things. If you click here, this is where TJ can easily get into his Google Drive account and check any of the stuff that he's saved there. We're also going to add Google Play books to his list as well.
Perfect.
Go to Google Play now. We're going to go shopping for books. First, it recommends books for you, but what we're going to do is we're going to go to his My Books section. So these are the books that he has purchased or downloaded for free from Google Play. He doesn't have books yet, but we're going to upload a file. You're going to be using Google Play for your upcoming novel study on The Little Prince, and we're going to go find that book to upload. So it says select files from my computer. Now I've put this book in the shared drive, so we're going to go My Computer, Shared. Our school is WBS. You are a student. I am Mr. E, and the school year is 2015-2016. This is an English Language Arts file, and there it is, The Little Prince Study Guide and Text. It is now uploading and processing. When this is finished, because it's converting so that it works on Google Play, TJ will be able to open it either in an internet browser, just by opening and signing in as in his Google address, or he can go onto his tablet in class and open it there. He could even install Google Play Books on his iPod, his iPhone, any tablet at home, or his home computer. The great thing is that when you start reading, you can easily bookmark your progress and open it up on any other device on the planet, and it'll be as if you're holding the exact same book. There it is. One click and it will open. And I start reading, advancing pages. Well, let's say we read, here's where the story begins. Let's say we read to this page. Well, I'm going to bookmark that. Now the next time TJ logs in and opens this book, it's going to open to this exact page. So way to go, TJ. If you have questions about this, and you probably do because I went really quick, just come see me, hang out for a homework class, we'll get it done, or we'll just get it done together. Have good reading.